Sticks and stone will break my bones, but your words will never hurt me. You ever heard that saying before? If you haven't already yet, like, comment, subscribe, join the Aspire team where we get better, do better, and be better. Let's get it, let's go. Alright guys, in today's topics, let's talk about 4 things that you cannot take back. Number 1, if you stop and throw rocks at every dog that barks at you, you never reach your destination. So what's the point of throwing stones at people, throwing shades at people? It's not worth it. Number 2, the word after it's said. Don't say something that you don't mean. You know, if it's not something nice, keep it to yourself and don't put it out there. When you speak bad about somebody, you're putting it out there in the universe, and it's not going to be a good sign for you. You know what I mean? Because you're attracting bad energy. Number 3, y'all, and that's occasion. If you got a special occasion to attend to and you miss it, that's a moment that you're going to miss for a lifetime. Occasion can mean anything from your wedding, birthdays, job, etc., right? But every time you miss a moment, you let a moment pass you by. Learn how to schedule correctly so you can meet every occasion. The 4th thing you can't take back is time. Time is very valuable. Make sure you spend your time with people who love you, people who care for you, and people are reciprocating the energy you're giving out, you know? Believe it or not, time has more value than money. Your time here on earth is limited, so why not live it to the fullest and just be happy? And don't let stress or depression or any negativity bother you, right? Alright, Aspire family, that concludes today's video, and I hope this video helped you identify 4 things that you can't get back. Focus on what really matters most, and that's you. Okay? Do what makes you happy, do what makes you proud, and do what makes your soul light on fire. Alright guys, without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Aspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. You already know what to do. Let's get it, let's go. See you guys next time on the next inspirational, motivational video. More love, y'all. 1.